Smart Child Zone presents Plants. What are plants? Plants are living organisms that cover much of the land of planet Earth. You see them everywhere. They include grass, trees, flowers, bushes, and more. Plants are members of the kingdom Plantae. Hundreds of thousands of different species, or kinds, of plant grow on Earth. Some plants are so tiny that people can hardly see them. Others are trees that grow as tall as skyscrapers. What are the characteristics of a plant? Plants make their own food. Plants have a cuticle, it protects and keeps them from drying out. Plant cells have a cell wall. Plants reproduce with spores and sex cells. How do plants make food? All green plants use the sun's energy, water, and a gas called carbon dioxide to make their own food. This process is called photosynthesis. Classification of plant. Roots. These help to anchor the plant in the soil so it does not fall. They absorb water and mineral from the soil. Some extra food for future use is also stored in the roots. The roots of a plant grow underground. 2. Stem. It supports the upper parts of the plants. Stem conducts water and nutrients from roots. Food in the form of glucose travels from stem to the roots. Stem also stores food. A young stem, 1 year old or less, with leaves is called shoot. 3. Leaf. The leaf is an organ of a plant that is specialized for photosynthesis. Leaves capture energy from sunlight as well as collect carbon dioxide from the air. There are different kinds of leaves. Many are flat and thin in order to catch as much sunlight as possible. For flower, these are the reproductive parts of the plants. Flowers contain pollen and eggs called ovules. After fertilization of the ovule develops into a fruit. Fruits. It provides covering to seed. Fruit can be fresh like an orange or hard like a nut. Seed. It forms in the fruit. A new plant grows out of a seed. It contains all the genetic information needed to develop into a plant. What is plant life cycle? Plants have a life cycle, just like humans and other animals. The life cycle of a plant describes the different stages of the plant from the beginning of its life until the end, which is from seed to mature plant. However, not all plants produce seed. Some plants such as fern or mosses produce different kinds of cells called spores. When a mature plant falls on the ground or a fruit is being eaten and the seed is thrown away. Here is a life cycle of an apple. For the conifer, the adult tree produces a male or female cone. The cone produces pollen which is then fertilized and a seed is created. For more videos and other useful materials, visit us at www.smartchildzone.com/videos. Register your child and have access to our unlimited number of question and answer exercises. Visit www.smartchildzone.com